Top 10 Auto Repair in Jacksonville. 1. Meineke Car Care Center, 4.9 958 reviews, Beach Boulevard. 2. Maxi's Mechanics Auto Repair and Service, Hodges, 4.9 402 reviews, Fario Road. 3. Everything Automotive of Jacksonville Incorporated, 4.9 298 reviews, Beach Boulevard. 4. First Choice Automotive, 4.9 155 reviews, St. Augustine Road. 5. Jack's Auto Lab and Repair Shop, 4.9 77 reviews, Corporate Square Court number 205. 6. Maxi's Mechanics Auto Repair and Service, Beach Boulevard, 4.8 1033 reviews, Beach Boulevard. 7. JJ's Auto Care, 4.8 835 reviews, Beach Boulevard. 8. Maxi's Mechanics Auto Repair and Service, Riverside, 4.8 579 reviews, Oak Street. 9. East Coast Auto Care, LLC, 4.8 138 reviews, Ogilvie Park, LN. 10. Hugh's Riverside Automotive, 4.8 121 reviews, Chelsea Street.